guys, it's Janet Wakeland with RemarkablyCreated.com. In this video, I want to take a moment to formally introduce you to 4 brand new products that will be debuting on February 16th as part of Stampin' Up's annual celebration. Celebration began on January 3rd and extends through March 31st. All of the currently available product is still available. We're just adding 4 new fun products to the mix of what's available. There are 2 ways to currently get your hands on this product, or there will be 2 ways. One now February 1st through the 15th, and then another one beginning February 16th. So let me showcase this product. And actually, before I do that, I want to take a moment real quick to thank everybody who watched my crazy Facebook Live video. I did a Facebook Live video showcasing these, and we just kind of tried to capture the excitement of opening the box and digging in together for the first time. And yes, a few of the images may have been upside down, and when I used the big shot, the camera did shake a little bit. So for those of you who watched that video, thank you guys so much for enjoying a bit of excitement that I enjoy as a demonstrator with me. So, but as promised, here's the formal presentation of those 4 products. So one of the products is this beautiful detailed basket weave embossing folder. It is one of those dynamic folders, which means that it's one of those very thick folders. It's going to give you a nice deep impression of this design here, the basket weave. Then there are 2 new stamp sets. The Blossoming Basket stamp set here, you saw me stamp with that in the Facebook Live video. 2 greetings, you are loved, the little tag, the little butterfly, and it is a nice large stamp that you have here. And then the Eclectic Expression stamp. I can actually see where this is going to create a beautiful moon pattern. These elements actually will work really well with the really hot waterfront stamp set. You've got an element that looks like washi. Of course, this could be a moon, little raindrops, so lots of possibilities with that, and great way to interact with other stamps that are currently really hot and trendy. And then one of the other elements, and my favorite, and I know I'm going to be hoarding lots of this paper, I can tell you that already, is this set of 12 by 12 designer papers that are foiled. Foiling is a very, very hot trend in the arts and crafts community right now. When I was at Creativation in Phoenix 2 weeks ago, I can't tell you the number of booths that had some type of foiling. This paper is single-sided. It is a nice sturdy weight. It is glossy in between the foiling, and it is neutral on the back. You could stamp and use this side if you wanted to. The 4 different designs, you have these really fun, happy copper dots, different size dots on that paper. You have this beautiful flower here, and it is a copper flower with gold stamen and little gold dots on it. And then more of those happy dots. You have this really, really pretty vine and small leaf set, silver and gold. And then we have this beautiful silver striped paper. There are 3 each of the 4 designs, bringing the total in the pack to 12. And all of the foil, the gold, the copper, and the silver do coordinate with the 12 by 12 foils of those solid colors in the annual catalog. In addition, Stampin' Up! Has an extensive line of beautiful metallic trimmed ribbon and metallic ribbons and things like that that all coordinate with this. So let's take a moment and let's look at 4 projects that I went ahead and created right away in my craft room. And actually, this isn't a project, but let me just show you that basket weave. Can you see that? Look how pretty that's going to be. So then the very first card that I created, and I had to just jump right in with copper. I've been really inspired since the January paper pumpkin. And here you can see Amazing You, another celebration product, the Celebrate You Thinlits, and a little bit of the copper ribbon, and then our copper foil. So clean and simple and quick card there for you. Then we have a Valentine Card and Box. And you'll see this featured on my blog tomorrow for day 3 of my 14 days of Valentine's ideas. So you're going to want to stop by for some more detail on these 2 projects. And then the last project is this one right here. We colored the basket with the Stampin' Blends alcohol markers. We also colored the beautiful organza ribbon with the Stampin' Blends. And 24 hours ago, I put a video up that are 5 ways to alter this ribbon. So you're going to want to take a look at that. And then You Are Loved. What another beautiful Valentine idea. And what you may not see here is a little bit of shimmer given by the wink of Stella. So kind of a fun little look for you. I mentioned that there are 2 ways to get your hands on the product. One, February 1st through the 15th, and then beginning February 16th. So the way to get your hands on the product right now is by joining Stampin' UP. When you join Stampin' UP, one of the things that you do is you select $125 in product for just $99. You can pick one or all 4 of these products as part of that $125. So you can add these products to a starter kit between now and February 15th. In addition, you'll be able to finish off that kit then with product from the spring catalog or annual catalog. You'll pay just $99 for that product, and you'll enjoy free shipping on that. So that's definitely an option for you. And our starter kit comes with no obligation, but it does come with lots of opportunity and lots of fun for you. And then the other way is beginning February 16th, just as you've been doing right now with the regular Sale-a-bration items, you'll be able to select this product with a qualifying $50, $100, $150 order or higher. So again, 2 ways. Go ahead and use any of the links in the YouTube description below so that I can help you with either way that you decide. Also, if you are in need of a catalog and don't have either our annual or spring catalog, I'd love to provide you with one. In addition, you'll see tutorials coming up in my newsletter for projects like this. Each week I do 15 to 20 tutorials in my newsletter, and you're going to want to subscribe to that as well. So whether you decide to join my team in the next couple of days or to shop with me, I look forward to helping you get your hands on this beautiful new Sale-a-bration products. And again, one more time, a big shout out and a thank you to those of you who watched my crazy Facebook video earlier today. Thank you so much for stopping back again, and God bless.